Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit text in Fliki. First, open the Fliki app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now within the video tab, you can just create a new one or open an existing project from the file icon at the below. Tap on it. Now here you can see the list of your projects. You can choose any based on your needs. Once your project open, you will see your script or scenes in the editor. Within it, tap on the text area or script section. This is where your video content is written. Now you can just simply tap on the text where you want to change. The keyboard will appear, allowing you to edit words or sentence while fixing the spelling or grammar. You can just add or remove the lines if you want. Any changes you make will have automatically updated the AI voiceover and subtitles timing when the video is regenerated. After editing the text, you can just customize how it appears on the screen. Use the text settings to change the font style, shapes, colors, position on the screens or whatever that you want. This helps your text match your video theme and platform system. After that, you can just preview it through the preview icon present at the top. Now you can look the updated text. Make sure that the text flows naturally with the voiceover and visuals. Once you are satisfied with the outcome, you can just download it and share it, and that's it. You have successfully edited the text in Fliki. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.